Hello, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is April 6th, and I'm doing a review and outlook for the price of silver. This is silver's 4-hour chart, and in review of last week's video, I had shown you this large falling expanding wedge. It is a positive pattern in the U.S. in the price of silver, and the price of silver did break it to the upside as expected about midweek on Wednesday. And really silver just moved sideways a lot last week. It did have an up and down pattern, but overall it started the week here and it ended the week in around the same area, around 1510. So we're really not seeing a whole lot of anything out of silver really right now. Just price stability to be certain of anything. But last week we had mixed reports come out. We had some good reports come out of the economy. We also had further news come out about the trade deal that hurt and kind of help silver. The trade deal, whether it goes through or not, I think it's going, if it doesn't go through, it will definitely help both gold and silver. If it does go through, I think it will help silver and could quite literally hurt gold a little bit more so than it will silver because of silver's industrial properties. So we'll really have to see, but also silver is a safe haven, so it also mimics gold in its movement. It's just more, much more volatile. And you can quite literally, if you did a side-by-side, I'll quickly show you gold's chart. This is gold's movement last week, and this is silver's movement this week. Now, they're basically both going sideways, but silver is clearly more volatile in price movement than gold is. So, silver broke the falling expanding wedge as expected, and so now we can remove that. However, there's really no other patterns to show, and so we're really just going to expand the falling expanding wedge and expect still more upside with silver. It could break it going sideways as it did last week. What I think the markets are really paying attention to are the Fed minutes that will be reported next week on Wednesday. And I think that's what traders and speculators are paying attention to as far as how they're going to trade gold and silver. We'll really have to see what happens. I expect silver to continue to trade between the 1490 and the 1520 price levels, and also $15 will also stand as resistance to closing prices, but it clearly was broken here, and the 1490 level was tested down here, but it held. So it clearly has become a new support level for the price of silver. So in the week to come, I expect more sideways movement, but also if we get some positive information out of the FOMC minutes in regards to gold and silver, we'll likely see both of the precious metals move higher. So that's it for this week's review and outlook for silver. I wanted to quickly thank anyone and everyone who has been a viewer of my videos. I just recently reached, I should say, the 50 subscriber mark. I'm thankful for every one of you, and I thank you for listening in on my videos. It's really been a learning curve. I still am in the learning curve. I need to get over some of my stuttering, and I'm not a stutterer in if I was talking to you on the street, but as far as in these videos, I do find myself getting stuck on words here and there and on ums and just being caught in the moment, really. And I do intend to post more videos on the website and also about the cancer research that I advocate for, gold nanoparticle cancer research. So I thank you for your time. I look forward to posting next weekend's video and talking to you again. And I thank you for everything. Take care and God bless.